Delroy Dawson, duly elected councillor for the parochial division, number 5, Alien Town, solemnly affirm that I will, to the best of my ability, do my duty as a councillor of the Municipal Corporation of the Parish of Clarendon.
Everything. Pen drawn out. So it's 11 now. No, say.
Yeah.
Come here. What? Now?
I, Delroy Dawson, of the parochial division, number 5, Alien Town, having been duly elected to the office of the councillor of the Municipal Corporation of Clarendon, do by here swear that I will duly and faithfully fulfill my duties of such office without fear or favor, partiality or ill will, and to the best of my judgment and the ability, so help me God. Attested before me